Guess what? I saved 3,700. And that too, thanks for the tracking thing. I was able to cut down on my credit card bills, OTTs, and manage few coffees here and there. And yeah, that's how I saved.
Told you. Now start doing this every month so that you will have enough money for real gold soon.
Hey, gold if you want, I have to go to the store, check the rates. It's too much of hassle.
Then don't, just do digital.
Huh?
This is Batook. Buy gold and silver digitally and just with ₹100.
100 में gold. सुबह से कोई मिला नहीं.
अरे यार, real 24 karat gold stored safely in vaults, backed by MMTC, PAMP and Augment.
So I don't get a coin, right?
You do whenever you want. Convert it anytime to coins or jewelry. Until then, it grows in your account.
So I get a gold. But okay. But what about SIP?
Of course, set a monthly gold SIP. Start with as small as ₹500. No pressure, just consistency.
So this makes it doable. Means I can manage this even with loans?
That's the idea. Buy gold slowly, safely and digitally. At Batook, they want to make gold accessible to everyone, starting as low as ₹100. Your digital gold is backed by real physical gold of the same value. And once you accumulate enough, starting from as low as 0.01 grams to 50 grams, tamper-proofed, insured and OTP verified to your doorstep.
That makes sense. So start with 100 rupees. Build your gold gram by gram. One smart habit can secure your tomorrow.
Download Batook app or just visit batook.gold to begin with and keep following us for more money moves.
Subscribe, like and share for more smart money, more smart stories.
Until next time.
Do share your thoughts. Comment below.
And if you have any questions related to Batook, we'll be happy to answer.